Let me ask you this. Have you ever tried working out for PCOS and instead of feeling better, you end up more tired, more hungry, and wondering why your symptoms are worse? Yes, I've been there too. And that's because when you have PCOS, not every workout is your friend. In fact, overdoing cardio or skipping strength training can totally backfire. But there is a workout method trending right now that's actually PCOS friendly. It's called the 3-2-8 method. But today I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to explain why it works for hormonal balance and share how you can use it to support your PCOS journey, whether your goals are weight loss, fertility, or just having more energy without really burning out. When I was trying to manage my PCOS, I thought that the answer was just grind it out on the treadmill. 1 hour of cardio every day because, they say burn calories, fix hormones, right? But it did not work. My cravings got worse. My mood was all over the place. And instead of losing weight or belly fat, I felt stuck. And this isn't just me. Research shows that women who struggle with PCOS often struggle with insulin resistance, higher stress hormones, and hormone imbalances that don't respond well to endless cardio. And that's where the 3-2-8 method comes in. It's a structured workout plan that balances strength, flexibility, and low impact cardio, the exact combo that helps women with PCOS support insulin sensitivity, lower stress, and actually feel good after a workout instead of feeling drained. Okay, so let's break this method down. That's the 3-2-8 method, and it's simple. The 3 means 3 strength training sessions per week. Strength training is gold for PCOS. Lifting weights or even body weight moves like squats and push-ups improve insulin sensitivity and help to lower those androgen levels that cause acne, hair struggles, and weight gain. The number 2 means 2 Pilates or barre style sessions. This part surprised me. Pilates and barre are amazing for core strength, posture, and reducing stress hormones. They are low impact but powerful. And if you're cycle syncing your workouts, these are perfect for your luteal phase when your energy really dips. And then the number 8 means 8,000 steps per day. Walking is so underrated. For women with PCOS, it's one of the best forms of cardio. It lowers cortisol, it helps to manage weight and improves blood sugar, and it doesn't spike your appetite the way high intensity workouts can. Plus, you can do it while catching up on podcasts or scrolling on TikTok. So, if you have been struggling with workouts that leave you feeling worse, the 3-2-8 method might just be your game changer. It's not about punishment or chasing calories. It's about working with your hormones, not against them. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the 3-2-8 method, or do you want me to share a full PCOS-friendly weekly workout plan in another video? Drop your answer in the comments below. And while you're here, please share what kind of workouts make you feel best with PCOS. And friend, if this video gave you clarity, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with another PCOS warrior who needs to hear this. And please don't miss next week's video. I will be talking about cycle syncing workouts for PCOS, like how to exercise based on where you are in your cycle. And don't forget, PCOS doesn't define you, but the way you move and eat and live can help you take back control of your life. One step at a time, one rep, maybe even one Pilates class at a time. See you in my next video. Bye.